Science 10, Quarter 1, Earth Science. Science 10, Quarter 1, Distance Time Graph. In this video lesson, we will discuss the distance time graph and how to find the difference between the arrival time of P waves and S waves at a seismic station. Distance time graph. A distance time graph shows how far an object has traveled in a given time. Earthquake P wave and S wave travel time. It is a graph of the time that it takes for seismic waves to travel from the epicenter of an earthquake to seismograph stations varying distances away. They are used by seismologists to quickly locate the earthquake. The vertical line is intended for time with a unit of minute. The horizontal line is for the epicenter distance with a unit of kilometer. This is the S wave curve and this is the P wave curve. Let's zoom the graph. If you look at the left side or the vertical line intended for time, there are small boxes. Every boxes is equal to 20 seconds. So, we have 20 seconds, 40 seconds, and 60 seconds for 1 minute. At the bottom part or the horizontal line which is intended for epicenter distance, there are also small boxes. Every boxes is equal to 200 kilometers. Therefore, from the origin or the epicenter of an earthquake, we have 200 kilometers, 400 kilometers, 600 kilometers, 800 kilometers, and 1000 kilometers. Now, we will proceed in identifying the travel time of P and S waves. Let us have sample problem number 1. A seismic station is 3,000 kilometers from the epicenter of an earthquake. How long will it take P waves from this earthquake to reach the seismic station? You must always ask yourself two questions. Number 1. What information do I have? As you can see in the given, we have 3,000 kilometers as the given distance. Second question. What information am I looking for? The question is, how long will it take P waves from this earthquake to reach the seismic station? The key term is, how long? Therefore, we are looking for the time travel of P waves from the earthquake to seismic station. Here are the steps in finding the time travel of P waves from the epicenter to a specific distance. Find 3,000 kilometers at epicenter distance, horizontal line. Draw a line upward until it reaches the P waves. Identify the arrival time of P waves. As you can see in the graph, the highlighted portion is the time traveled of P waves until it reaches 3,000 kilometers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, 20 seconds, 40 seconds. Therefore, the answer is 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Sample problem number 2. It takes P waves 7 minutes to travel from an epicenter to seismic station. How far is the seismic station from the epicenter? You must always ask yourself two questions. Number 1. What information do I have? The given in the problem is the travel time of P waves, which is equal to 7 minutes. Second question. What information am I looking for? The question is, how far is the seismic station from the epicenter? The key term is, how far? Therefore, we are looking for distance. Here are the steps in finding the epicenter distance. Find 7 minutes at travel time, vertical line. Draw a line to the right until it reaches the P waves. Identify the distance of P waves from the epicenter at 7 minutes. The answer is 4,000 kilometers. Sample problem number 3. An epicenter of a station is 3,000 kilometers away. How long after the first P wave did the first S wave arrive? You must always ask yourself 2 questions. Number 1. What information do I have? The given is the distance, which is equal to 3,000 kilometers. Second question. What information am I looking for? The question is, how long after the first P waves did the first S wave arrive? In this problem, we are looking for the travel time difference between P waves and S waves. Here are the steps to find the arrival time of P waves at 3,000 kilometers. Number 1. Find 3,000 kilometers at epicenter distance. Number 2. Draw an upward line from 3,000 kilometers until it reaches the P waves. Number 3. Draw a line to the left to identify the arrival time of P waves. The answer is 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Now, let's find the arrival time of S waves. First, find 3,000 kilometers at epicenter distance. Second, draw an upward line from 3,000 kilometers until it reaches S waves. Third, draw a line to identify the arrival time of S waves. The answer is 10 minutes and 20 seconds. The highlighted portion is the time difference between the arrival of P and S waves at 3,000 kilometers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining, which is equal to 40 seconds. Therefore, the answer is 4 minutes and 40 seconds. That's all for distance time graph. Thank you.